Alright guys, welcome to yet another tutorial video on Sony Vegas. In this video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can merge these all different projects into a single project in Sony Vegas editor. So I have opened the Facebook one here in the editor, and if we play this is the lower third. So I want these all projects into this same project in Sony Vegas. So for that, I'll just go to the file, go to import and the media. Then I'm just going to select all of these and hit open. Now I have all the file that I need. So if I import the Instagram in here, it is right here. Now similarly, I can go ahead and drag this Twitter one, YouTube one. Now you can save this and it becomes the single project. So this was the quick tutorial on how we can merge two or more projects into one in Sony Vegas, and thank you guys for watching.